Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have Daikin split AC and there is a problem of water leakage in that AC, and even after running the AC, your AC is not cooling properly. If your AC is not able to cool the room and you are sweating, in today's video I will tell you the solution to this problem. If you are a technician, then this video is very useful for you, and if you are a customer, then you can also get this problem fixed and fix your AC very easily. So let's start the video. If the problem of water in your AC is coming again and again and you are tired of getting the AC made, then you can lock the gas of the AC and take down the indoor unit. If the gas is locked, there will be no problem of gas in your AC nor will need to fill up with gas. Now let's start opening the indoor unit. Now open the front cover of the AC and take out the filter neck. Now open the 3 screws on the front of the cover. Now open the screw of the wiring cover and take out the small cover. Now take out the swing flap with light hands. Keep in mind that the swing flap is very delicate. It has 3 locks on the top. Open all 3 locks and take out the cover. Now open both the screws on one side of the cooling coil. Now let's open one screw of the PCB. Now open the top cover of the coil also. Now remove the PCB by opening the fan motor connector, earthing wire and swing motor connector from the PCB. Now open both the swing motors and remove them. Now open the lock on the other side of the cooling coil with the help of a screwdriver and take out the indoor cooling coil. Now open the cover of the fan motor. Now open and separate the fan motor and blower. You can see the reason for water coming inside the AC again and again is this accumulated sludge. Due to this mud, water is not able to come out and water starts falling in the room itself. To clean this mud, it is very important to take down your AC and clean it. If you clean such an AC, then you can rest assured that your AC will start working like a brand new AC and there will be no water problem. And electricity bill will also reduce. You can see that there is a lot of dust in the cooling coil, due to which the AC is not able to do proper cooling, and the electricity bill also starts getting very high, and the sound of air cutting also comes due to this dust. Before washing the cooling coil with a jet pump, pack the pipe of the cooling coil with tape or put a plastic nut so that water does not enter the pipe. Now we clean the cooling coil. You should note that the pressure of the jet pump is very high. Excessive pressure can damage the cooling coil, so reduce the pressure a little and clean it. Do not work in haste, do it slowly. Only when you are satisfied that the cooling coil has been cleaned, then you can wash other parts. The cooling coil is a very important part for the indoor unit, so keep cleaning it until all the waste is removed. In AC, the air throw is less and the air comes less and there is sound of air cutting, then you clean the AC in this way. Believe me, your AC will work like new and the electricity bill will also reduce a lot. The air throw will also be quite low. The waste will increase. The waste is stuck deep inside. This waste will come out due to the pressure of the jet pump. After cleaning, the cooling coil looks like new. Now the cooling coil is thoroughly clean. Now wash the main body of the indoor unit thoroughly with the jet pump. The drain assembly is installed in the main body itself, so clean the main body thoroughly. After washing the main cover with jet pump, the cover looks brand new. Due to rust in the soft parts of the motor, the blower and the motor are not able to be separated, hence I have wrapped the motor well in polythene so that water does not enter the motor after washing the blower with water. You can see that there is a lot of garbage and dust in the blower. It is very important to clean it with pressure. Without pressure, the blower cannot be cleaned properly. If you clean the blower, then you can rest assured that the flow of your AC will become completely new and your AC will start cooling the room quickly. All the parts of AC are cleaned with the pressure of jet pump. After washing all the items, leave the item for some time till the water comes out or dry it with the help of a blower. After that, wipe it thoroughly with a dry cotton cloth. Fit all the accessories back in. Now let's fit the blower and motor back. Also install the rubber bush of the blower. Install the fan motor cover and tighten it. Install the cooling coil and tighten all its screws. Install the swing motor and tighten it. After that, put the PCB in place and tighten the screw. Now set the wires of fan motor and swing motor and connect the connector and also connect the earthing wire. And now put the small cover of the cooling coil and tighten it. Now put the front cover and install the top 3 locks. And put the wiring cover and tighten it. And tighten all the screws of the front cover. After that, put the filter net and close the cover. After that, carefully install the swing flap also. Keep in mind that the swing flap is very delicate. Now the indoor unit is completely cleaned. Now reinstall the AC. One reason for Daikin AC not cooling is that we do not get our AC serviced from time to time, and if service is done from time to time, then the outdoor unit is not cleaned properly, and due to the outdoor unit not being cleaned properly, if there is a cooling problem, then you can see that there is a lot of dust accumulated outside. Clean the outdoor unit of the AC with jet pump pressure. Keep in mind that reduce the pressure of the jet pump a little. Too much pressure can damage the condenser coil. If you clean the outdoor unit with jet pressure, your AC will start working very well. Clean the outdoor unit with jet pressure with some caution because the PCB board is attached to the outdoor unit. Due to water, the PCB may get damaged. While cleaning the outdoor unit from the front, make sure that the fan motor is installed in the front. Take care that water does not get into the fan motor. By cleaning the outdoor unit, your AC will start working like a new AC. I hope you have understood the information given by me. Then please like my video.